Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a case of a pizzeria. Due to the limited budget of customers, the store design is relatively simple, but there are some interesting points. Customers mainly open at night, so in the store design, the designer did not do too much design in the color, but designed the lighting decoration at the door of the store, which is more eye-catching at night. It's just this blue light. I also like it. In the warm color of the food store, the cool color is prominent, and at a glance it also conveys the message that this is a food store. I think it's quite interesting to achieve both the effect of emphasizing the highlight and conveying an effective message. The interior of the store is all conventional, with wood grain seating with stone-grained walls and some greenery. Inside there is a warehouse for storing ingredients. If you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. We will bring more design display and sharing.